In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail inbox layout. Whether you want a clean view of unread messages or a smarter, priority-driven inbox, this takes just a moment and can make a big difference in how you process email. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in. In the top right corner, click the Settings gear icon. A quick settings panel will appear. From there, select See All Settings to open the full settings page, which gives you access to more detailed controls. Along the top of the settings, click the Inbox tab. This is where Gmail organizes all the options related to how your inbox looks and behaves. Find the section labeled Inbox Type. Here, you'll choose the layout that best fits the way you like to read and triage email. Default is the familiar layout with tabs like Primary, Social, and Promotions. It's great if you want Gmail to automatically separate newsletters and social updates from your main messages. Important first moves messages that Gmail believes are important to the top of your inbox. If you often miss key emails, this view can help surface what matters first. Unread first keeps your unread messages at the top so you can focus on clearing new items before anything else. Starred first puts messages you've marked with a star at the top, perfect if you use stars as your to-do list. Priority inbox divides your inbox into smart sections, typically important and unread, starred, and everything else, helping you work from the most critical items down. Multiple inboxes lets you create custom panes based on search filters, like showing all messages from a specific project or with a certain label side by side. It's powerful if you manage several streams of email at once. After you select the layout you want, scroll down and click Save Changes if you see the button. Some choices apply instantly, but if the Save Changes button is visible, make sure to use it so your new layout sticks. Head back to your inbox to confirm the update. You should immediately see the new structure in place, whether that's category tabs, sections for unread or starred messages, or custom panes for multiple inboxes. If it doesn't feel quite right, no problem. You can return to the same inbox tab and try another option until it matches your workflow. That's it. Your inbox layout is updated. With just a few clicks, you've tailored Gmail to better fit how you read, prioritize, and act on your email.